Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. A very happy Diwali in advance. Since we're all in a festive mode, today we'll be making a super easy coconut laddu recipe which will be done in just 15 minutes. So let's get on with it. First, we'll add some desiccated coconut in a bowl. Next, we'll add our caramel, which has been made using a can of condensed milk. If you want to know the process, it's given in the description box below. Lastly, we'll be adding cardamom powder to it. Mix well using your hands until it forms a dough. Now we'll be taking small portions out of it and make a round ball using our palm. Then we need to roll it in a bowl of desiccated coconut. And our super easy coconut laddus are ready. And there, we have a super easy coconut laddus, and I can guarantee you everybody is going to love it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you try this recipe out, please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Until next time.